Good morning. How we doing today? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. That's the... What is this? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let me get a couple more things set up. I think I'm going to go live on TikTok today. I typically don't go live on there, but it's been a minute. It's been like a few weeks. What's up? We're going to see. Today's definitely going to be interesting. I'll tell you guys that. Definitely going to be very interesting. Good morning. How'd you guys do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. All right, let's get the TikTok pulled up. Let's see, live. What is this? Subscription invitation. I don't need that. So we're going to review the trade that or the two trades that I took yesterday. Hold on. There we go. Go live for everybody on TikTok. Lost $90. What happened yesterday? So my main trade yesterday was the 3,900 reject on the S&P futures. Hopefully you guys were able to take that. That was absolutely beautiful. Remember, we talked about it in the live stream on here. So if we pull up ES, and the tick rule made it so much better. But if we pull up ES, typically what I like to look for going into rejects or bounces is going to be a big move. So yesterday with the S&P futures, we got that huge move from 3,750 all the way up to that 3,900. You made 500%. Good job. But we had that huge move into 3,900. And then I also said in Team Bull, if we open with a ridiculous tick reading, which again, if you guys know how to use the tick, this helped a lot. Make sure you guys are clicking that like button as well. We got 140 people in here, only 40 likes. Make sure we're running up to 150. If we opened up with a ridiculous tick, which was plus 1661, more than likely this thing's going to pull back until we at least get to zero. Now that could result in a few different things. S&P futures or SPY in general could pull back until we hit zero, or it could just sit there and consolidate until it hits zero, and then it decides what it's going to do from there. So you can see we finally came down to zero around like 10 o'clock. We hovered around there till 10:15. Then we started moving. So here is market opened up. We came right up into 3,900, hit it. I think it was 25 cents short. I got short on the S&P futures at 38.99. So 1 point below this level, and you can see that the S&P futures dropped all the way down to 38.70. I didn't capture the whole 30 points. That would have been amazing, but this was a beautiful reject. You could have traded SPY or even QQQ on this. So QQQ, 277 all the way down to 274, 3-point drop. SPY, 388.50 down to 385.8. So almost a 3-point drop with that. But that was my main trade yesterday. And then we also tried to take a reject. The reject, or later in the day, not this reject, but we tried one later in the day. Didn't go as planned, so we just ended up cutting it. How we doing over here on the TikTok? What's going on? We mooning today? We're going to see. I think they push it to 400. Personally, I think they push it to 400. That would just make sense. Because SPY right now hit a high of 398.19. I have major confluence at 400 and 400.2. Those are my two levels that I'm watching. So, with that being said, again, everybody in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, let me know how you guys did yesterday. And yes, I have a video on the tick rule. But the reason why 400.2 is interesting to me, actually, we have major confluence here. Why did it do that? Yesterday it was just 400.2. Hold up. High. Low. So apparently it's 399.8. I'm going to look for that reach yesterday because it was at 400.2 yesterday. Now it's saying it's at 399.8. Yeah, high point, low point, 400.2. Either way, I'm going to be watching it very closely. That entire 400 area, very interesting to me. Let's see, let's try one more. This high to this low. Let's see. Yeah, major confluence there. So, yeah, we're going to look for that reject. How we doing here on TikTok? 52 people now. We had 100 something. But, yeah, let me put that in Team Bull. I personally think they're going to push it till we see 400. We're just going to delete that. Boom. All right, let me put that in my channel. SPY. Main reject. Or actually main setup today. Looking for a reject in between 399.8 to 400. Stop loss will be around 400.5. Cool. All right, there's SPY. I would also like to see a pullback. How many people we got in here? We got 222 people in here and only 85 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list today, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 150 likes and you guys get the watch list. But yeah, I'd really like to see a pullback. I just don't know if we're going to get it. I really think they're just going to push it to 400 today. Lines up, perfect confluence, 61.8 from the previous. Let's go back to the daily. This previous high to low. So yeah, we're going to find out. Let's try this one right here. See if there's anything. Nope, not till 404. Yeah. So SPY main level. Let's pull up QQQ. And real quick, for the ones that are in the TikTok live, make sure to tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm actually showing my screen to everybody right now. QQQ, is there any setups here? Yeah, I think just that SPY 300, not really interested in QQQ today. What's up, Noah? Thank you. Apple, not interested in. AMD and Nvidia had a huge day yesterday. Watchlist is not out yet. We just started making it. The daily AMD filled that gap. Well above the gap. I'd be interested in a bounce. Like 67.20 on AMD. Let's see. Yeah, the market's open today. It's just a bank holiday. Amazon again. I mean, if Amazon were to hit 100 at the same time that SPY hits 400, you could short either or. It's actually not a bad idea. Amazon. Where's everybody at today? Everybody taking off? Amazon. Boeing, Baba, don't care about coin. Let's see. 30-minute squeeze. Kind of just trading in between the moving averages. Don't really care about this. Google. Nice. Your first trade made 145. Good job. Google, not interested in. Meta's had a pretty big move. Again, I don't I don't know. Seems like everybody's taking off trading. We usually have like 300 people up in this live stream. Today we got 170. What's going on? Maybe a meta bounce at like 109 point, what is that? 25. Put a big old question mark next to that one. Microsoft could be a bounce level as well. I don't really trade it. Nvidia, we do have a 15-minute squeeze. Very interested in an Nvidia bounce. 154-ish. They report earnings next week. Yeah, everybody used up all their buying power, so they don't have any for today. Let's see, we went over QQQ. SPY is my favorite. I mean, if we blow through 400, I'll happily take calls. Let's see, somebody asked about Tesla. Tesla yesterday made that 61.8 retracement and then bounced. Maybe at like 180.6, I'd be interested in it. I like how that daily's looking. Got like a little mini gap there. Tesla. How we doing over here on the TikTok? Everybody good? Again, for the people in the YouTube live stream, in case you guys didn't know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you guys are subscribed. It would mean the absolute world to me. Plus, I have 880 videos teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you're not subscribed, you're definitely missing out. Anyways, besides the SPY, honestly, I'm not too interested in QQQ today. I'm interested in an AMD bounce, an Nvidia bounce, and then you can look at Amazon for a reject at 100. Meta, maybe. We'll see. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's get Nvidia out. You made Tesla. You made money on Tesla calls and puts. Good job. Good job. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens at 153.8. Report earnings next week. What do the person's pivots say? We also have that daily pivot point right here. Cool, let's do it. Good morning, David. So let's see, 153.57 is our daily pivot point. Monthly pivot is at 157.57. Oh wait, hold on. Yes, I am on YouTube. Brandon Trades. What is that, like 163.10-ish? What's up? Good morning. Cool. So main bounce on Nvidia is going to be at that 153.5 to 153.82 level. 53.82. No discounts, unfortunately. All right, let's get this video on the list. Good morning, Chuck. Channel members, I greatly appreciate all of you. Video. Interested in a possible bounce at 153.82 for calls. Cool. The video very simple. Just interested in that bounce. And then let's see, AMD. Meta's got a 30-minute squeeze. Let's see. It does. Like I said, I'd be interested in that bounce. It's just 400 is going to be huge on SPY. Oh no, maybe we come up, hit 400, we get a quick little dip, bring stuff down to the bounces, and then we go from there. That could happen. No, I do not do small caps, options only. Nvidia, watch AMD too. $67.14 is my bounce. Do we have confluence there? Yes, we do, with the weekly person's pivot. We're sitting on the monthly person's pivot right now. I mean, we could just break and continue. Let's go back to Nvidia real quick. Hold up. Maybe a break above the pre-market highs. That's going to be a little risky with Nvidia. The best risk to reward is if we can get that bounce. 67.14 on AMD. Yeah, let's do a bounce at 67.14 or a break of 70.11. The break of 70.11 is going to be higher risk. But AMD looks a little stronger than Nvidia. So Nvidia, I'm only interested in the bounce. AMD, I think I will be willing to take this breakout. Again, 400 is my main level. Ooh, AMD, interested in a possible bounce at. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Also, make sure you guys are running up the likes. Let's see if we can hit 200 likes today on a Friday. And hopefully you guys did not use all your buying power yesterday. Banks are closed. If you're a cash account, your funds did not settle overnight. Possible bounce, 67.14. For calls or break above 70.11 for calls, break above 70.11 will be higher risk. All right, there's AMD. You just watch both ways. If it breaks above 70.11, that's the breakout. If it comes down to 67.14, that's the bounce. But Nvidia, it's looking weak to the upside. That's why I prefer to see the bounce. And then let's see. So SPY 400 main level, AMD, Nvidia. I guess we could watch Amazon. I mean, Amazon, it's not bad. A 100 reject. We're at 98.6. If SPY can pump a little more and get up to 400, I feel like that's going to line up with Amazon at 100. So that's definitely a possibility. Or do we want to watch Meta? We got 342 people in the live stream. There we go. Everybody woke up. That's what it was. Everybody was just sleeping in. I understand. Let's see. That would be way too far. I think we're going to do it Amazon. No, I do not wait for candle closes because with day trading, every single second matters. By the time you wait for a candle close, you're probably too late and you'll be chasing. Yeah, Amazon 100. We're going to watch that. Wahano. Every single swing trade, I typically give myself a stop loss of 50%. Boom. Amazon. Let's see. Again, I'm watching that 400. Why Delta is not going up? They making money now. Manipulation. What do you mean? Amazon looking for a $100 reject for puts Stop will be around 100.3. Boom. Very simple watch list. But to answer your question, Mike, just because a company is making money does not mean that the stock price is going to go up. Just keep that in mind. No, it's not manipulated. Stock prices reflect what every single trader is thinking at that given moment. So no manipulation on it. Yep, I look to buy calls for bounces and I look to buy puts for rejects. That was a quick watch list today. If you guys are in Team Bull, go run up the reactions. We're about to hit some bangers today. So let's see. Get SPY. I am only interested in rejecting the market or looking to short the market if SPY hits 400. Till then, not too sure. Dixie absolutely demolished that weekly 21 EMA. Demolished it. So if I'm going to be looking to short the overall market like a swing trade on SPY or QQQ, I am not doing it until Dixie finds support. Remember, we talked about this I don't know how many times. I've had a lot of people say, yeah, I'm swinging puts. The market's going to go down. The market is not going to go down until, or like the overall market, just like SPY on the daily time frame, if you're looking to swing trade, it's not going to go down until the Dixie finds support. Remember, when Dixie goes up, the market goes down. When Dixie goes down, the market goes up. Look at what happened to the Dixie yesterday. Got smoked. Look at what happened to the market yesterday. Straight up. So reading these market internals, it's very, very important. Every single time the Dixie has broken out, that's when the market has had the next leg down. Well, now the Dixie has flipped and it's going down. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Maybe we're going to get a lower high eventually, but right now it's getting smoked. So as a result, the market's going to continue to go up. I will look to scalp again that 400 level, but I'm not swing trading puts until Dixie gives me a sign that it's going to go the opposite way. This has been the best market internal all year. You see gap fill to 408 if we break 403. It just really depends what happens at 400. But we do have that gap up there, 403 to 408.57, yes. Just depends if we can get up there. We'll see. Today's going to be interesting. Then, real quick, before I send the watch list, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. 450 pages going through my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. So if you guys do want to check it out, the link is right here. There you go. If you guys want to check it out. Boom. And then for the people on TikTok, same thing, in case you didn't know, New Age Technical Analysis, that's me, 450 pages. So make sure you guys check it out on Amazon. Let's see if I can get the page count on here. Hold on. Of course, I got you. Oh, 447. My bad. I lied by 3 pages. In case you guys can't see that. 447. Boom. But yeah. Just bought the book. Let's go. So, let's see. SPY, QQQ. ES actually hit 4,000 before SPY could hit 400. Interesting. Huh. What are we at? We're at 39.79. For ES to get up to 4,000, we need another 220 points, which is $2.20 on SPY, which would bring SPY to 398.7. $2 from here. Yeah, 398.5. No. Oh my God, I'm terrible on that. Yeah, 398.7 would be 4,000 on ES. $8.7. You'll let people know about that. Also watching 4,000 reject on ES, which should be around 398.7 on SPY. Cool. The book is The New Age of Technical Analysis. Let's see. Hold on, let me drop the watch list and then I'll answer any questions that you guys got. ES is the S&P 500 futures. All right, let's drop this bad boy. So real quick, I am not a certified, hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So make sure to do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. If the trade is going against you, you should not be losing your entire investment. And I am not responsible for any lost funds. It's just everything I'm watching for the day, and this is my opinion on the market. So do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. Boom. So yeah, futures are dope. I like it. Your risk to reward is very clear. If you're willing to lose 10 points, you're willing to lose $500. If you're willing to make 20 points, you're willing to make 1,000. That's a 2-to-1. I answer them on both, typically. I just got a lot of DMs that I got to get through. Could be low volume today. Not too sure. Let's see. Learning level 2. Which stock is best stock to watch in order? I mean, anything, really. It just depends on what you're trading. It's more so just watching the level 2 for an extended period of time and getting used to it. I would say the level 2's honestly like a little easier to read on like the penny stocks that dumpster trades. But if you want to get really good, watch SPY, because that thing moves quick. Yep, looking for puts is reject. Yeah, didn't we have that we had the 61.8 at like 398.8, didn't we? It's like somewhere around there. So yeah, lots of confluence up here at these areas. Gonna be very interested. Anyways, let's see what other questions we got. Hey, Noble, I try my best. Always giving that free education for you guys. 880 videos on the channel, a book. I don't sell a course. All I have is a book. That's it. And then, let's see. Do you have a video on confluence to support a resistance levels? Yeah, it's just if you have, let's just say, the 4-hour 21 EMA, a fib level at 398.7, plus it lining up with 4,000 on ES, that's confluence. You have multiple different things hinting at that level being important. So that's what I look for at these rejects and bounce levels, is do we have confluence there? That makes sense. Always. Yes, bounce is for calls, puts are rejects. When you're watching a video for 153.82 bounce, are you suspecting a dip or just if it happens to dip? I typically like to see a hard sell-off down into that level, and I'm not simply just buying because it came down. I'm watching level 2 and how we react. I determine my stop loss pretty much. It depends where you enter. So like yesterday, Grizzly called out a SPY bounce off of the 5-minute VWAP. So if you're entering off of the 5-minute VWAP, you can see that we had the VWAP right here. This is where they entered. Your stop loss is like slightly below this level. So 385.75 was where VWAP was. Your stop loss is probably mentally like 385.4. You're giving up 25 cents or 35 cents, my bad, whatever it is. But that's just something that you get used to when, you know, you trade for a while. Just mental stop losses. You got to get really good entries. And then like the 3900 reject on the S&P futures, my stop loss was at like 3903. I was willing to give up like 3 points, made almost 19 points. So yeah, just it depends where you enter. 15-minute orange dot squeeze. Oh, hello. I like that. Maybe 0DT on the Nvidia and Amazon's, but for SPY, it's going to be next week. Let's see. Any questions over here on the TikTok? What's your general rule on swing play and how far you go out on your strike dates? It's always the monthly expiration. Again, I go over this in my book, but it's always the monthly expirations, and it depends how far my price target is. So with AR, we're going with, or actually we're in the December 16th expirations for this, the $40 calls, aiming for that upper trend line right there. I don't need to go all the way out to February for this thing to hit 40 because it's at 37.63. But if I was aiming for like something right now I'm watching is uranium. This thing's in a monthly squeeze, holding the monthly 21 EMA and 34 EMA. If I'm going to be looking to swing this based off of a monthly squeeze, I'm going to have to go out maybe to like June of next year to play that. That makes sense. Yes, orange dot squeeze. Pay attention. Big move. But yeah. Any other questions, or are we all good? I'm about to go make some breakfast. We don't even got 200 likes yet. What is this? We need 3 more. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have 880-something videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free. And I have my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon, 450 pages, A through Z guide on my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. So make sure to check it out. What else we got? Hey, 200 likes. Let's go. One more question. All right, let's hear it. Orange dot squeeze is basically when the Bollinger Bands are so close together that the stock has very limited room to move. So you see SPY right now, it's not really moving. When this orange dot squeeze releases, hopefully taking us up into 398.7 or even 400, it's going to be a pretty big move if it does fire up. Dollar down, long energy. Let's see. What's crude oil looking like? What's really important is because this AR company that we're in, it's a natural gas company. You know, I went lighter on it because natural gas doesn't look as good, but AR looks really good. So we're gonna have to see. Yeah, I would just say watch the technicals on crude oil. Might actually be forming this little ascending triangle right here. You see that? Boom. Team Bull is the best Discord ever. We got some hater on the TikTok for some reason that doesn't like Team Bull. I guess he's just a little salty. He likes to join our live streams and harass us while living in his parents' basement still. It's okay though. Thank you for the subscribe. There's a reason why everybody on Stock Talk and Stock Twitter have him blocked. Dude's a bum. But we don't deal with no negativity. We keep it real. We make that money. We don't hate on nobody because we are all very successful, and successful people don't have time to hate. We just get to the dough. Orange dot. Yes, watch my YouTube video on the squeeze. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Let's see. There it is. Copy link. There you go. There's a link to the TTM squeeze. But that is going to wrap it up for the day. Everybody take it easy. Let's make that money. If you guys are in Team Bull, we're going to make some money today. Let me drop the link if you guys want to join. Hold on 1 second. Boom. So if you guys would like to trade live with me, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, whatever it is, you can use this Beacons link right here. Let's see. SPY calls today. Honestly, looking for that 398.7 or 400 reject. But yeah, I mean, I'll drop a diss track. I can do that. But yeah, if you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes.